Hola, hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Hoy vamos a aprender sobre las preposiciones. Preposiciones en inglés son prepositions. Muy bien, vamos a empezar. Um, las prepositions are words to use help describe location or position. So in English, we use them quite often. So some of our prepositions that we have in English are between, on the right, in front of, inside, in the middle, behind, and so on, right? Well, today I picked a couple for us to practice using and remembering their meanings and obviously how to pronounce them in Spanish. And we're going to learn how to use them in a simple but complete sentence. And for this purpose, I'm going to be focusing on classroom objects. So we're going to be looking at silla, chair, mesa, table. We're going to be looking at libros or libro, books or book, pupitre, desk, pizarra, whiteboard, lápices, and so many more other classroom objects. So let's get started. The first thing I want us to get into the habit of is practicing saying the words in Spanish and English. So obviously you already know how to say them in English, so practice a little bit more on saying them in Spanish. So pronunciation. So let's look at between. Now, between in Espanol means entre. Entre, between. On the right, a la derecha. So if we had the opposite, on the left, it would be a la izquierda. In front of, enfrente de, below or under, abajo de, on or like on top of, sobre, above or over, encima de, in or inside, dentro de, en el medio, in the middle, al lado de, next to, atrás de, behind. Okay? Now, I went ahead and I wrote these simple sentences for us to get into the habit of learning how to translate and obviously how to write in Spanish and how to read in Spanish. So here we go. La silla, remember la means the. This is the singular feminine. La silla, the chair. Está is blank, pupitre, desk, in our preposición es next to. So our preposition that we need to translate is next to. So how do we say next to? I'll give you a couple seconds to maybe look at it. How do we say next to? Well, next to means al lado de. And I just realized I didn't write it on here. Yeah, so I didn't write it on here. I apologize. So next to means al lado de. Al lado de, so I'm going to write in here. Al lado de. La silla está al lado del pupitre. Next to, al lado del. La silla está al lado del pupitre. The chair is next to the desk. Bien? Now, el libro está blank la mesa. And your preposition is on or like on top of. So how do we say on or on top of? Does anyone know how to say it? On or on top of? On or on top of? Sobre. So el libro está sobre la mesa. The book is on top of the table or on the table, right? El libro está sobre la mesa. The book is on the table or on top of the table. Now we have el chico está blank de la pizarra. And our preposition is in front of. In front of. So in front of means en frente de. So el chico está en frente de la pizarra, which means the boy is in front of the whiteboard, right? So I want you to practice filling in the blanks. And obviously, as you fill in the blanks for the sentences, try first translating the meaning of the sentence. Even if you need to do it one word at a time, that is perfectly fine. So, for example, if you want to start with la, start with la. Silla está. So, what does la silla está mean? Then you're thinking, well, la silla, the chair, está, is next to pupitre, desk. So la silla está al lado del pupitre. Pupitre means the chair is next to the desk. So I'm going to be uploading a handout, a PDF handout for you to practice writing in the missing prepositions to complete your sentences. And then I'm going to also add asking using prepositions. So asking where things are, okay? So for this one, and this is optional if you want a little extra challenge to work on, you're going to be looking at the question, ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? Where is? And then you're going to be specific on the item that you're, or object that you're looking for, right? For example, ¿Dónde está el lápiz? Where is the pencil? ¿Dónde está el lápiz? Then that would be the question. ¿Dónde está? I'll go ahead and write it down here. ¿Dónde? So remember, in Spanish, we have two question marks, one at the beginning and one at the end. ¿Dónde está el lápiz? So that's the question. Where is the pencil? ¿Dónde está el lápiz? So obviously, you're going to start by answering your question by first using está. So está, which means it is, and then you're going to decide, where is the pencil? Let's say it's where could it be? Next to, we'll just say it's next to the pen. So we'll just say that it's next to the pen. So we would say está al lado de la pluma, right? ¿Dónde está el lápiz? That is the question. Where is the pencil? Then the answer, está al lado de la pluma. It is next to the pen. Okay, boys and girls, we'll have fun practicing your prepositions. It'll be a good review in English and Spanish. So have fun. Espero que se diviertan. Hasta luego.